Okay, in this lesson we're going to start our swap chain creation. We will start by getting the swap chain properties. Similar to the Q family indices, we're going to create an internal struct for the properties. We will need to evaluate the available surface capabilities. We also need to choose between a few or all available frame formats. And finally, we need to select the present mode. We also have the isValid method here that we will need to validate that there are formats supported and present modes available. It should always be the case, but we still need to check it out. Now, I'll scroll down to add a new method for getting swap chain properties. We will need the physical device passed on to this method. I copy the function signature and paste it inside the CPP file. Here I define a body for this function. Now I will create a new swap chain properties object and return it at the end. We can get the surface capabilities from the function vk get physical device surface capabilities. This function accepts the device, the surface, and the others to the capabilities object that needs to be set. Next, we can get the surface formats through the vk get physical device surface formats khr. First, we need to get the count, and then we use the count to initialize the properties.formats. We then call the function again to actually populate the list with those formats. I'll duplicate the same code for the modes. We just need to call the surface present modes function, and I will also rename the variables. Since we need this to be valid for the device that we choose, we will need to call this function in the isDeviceSuitable function, so that we can determine if it supports the given formats. Now that we have this, we can check if the application builds and runs. Well, everything looks fine. See you in the next lesson.